Hello and welcome dear traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.cu portal. Here we go. Today is December 4 and we're starting from Euro-dollar pair with area of Muckmore. From the daily chart, the main EURUSD currency pair is seen moving within the bearish pitchfork channel, which indicates that the fiber condition is in a bearish situation, which is also confirmed by the appearance of deviations between the price movements and the stochastic oscillator indicator, and the ascending broadening wedge pattern, which is all confirms that in the next few days EURUSD has the potential to weaken to the level of 1.0634 as the main target, and if the momentum and volatility are supportive enough, then the level of 1.0451 will be the next target to be aimed at. However, all of these scenarios can become invalid and cancel by themselves if on its way to these targets suddenly Euro-dollar pair strengthens again until it breaks above the level of 1.0984. And now it's time for the next major. It's GBPUSD presented by Dean Lau. Last Friday, the GBPUSD pair managed to recover relative to the recent corrective move. As a result, the quote returned to the area of resistance level of 2700. On the 4-hour chart, the RSI oscillator indicator is hovering in the upper area of 5070, thus reflecting bullish sentiment among traders. On the same chart, the alligator's MAs are headed upwards, which corresponds to the upward cycle. The GBPUSD kicks off the new week with a decrease in volume of long positions, accompanied by a rebound from the level of 1.2700. In this case, hitting the 1.2700 mark indicates a prevailing bullish sentiment. In perspective, this could extend the upward cycle in case the pair tests last week's high. The bearish scenario will come into play in case the pair trades sideways between the levels of 1.2575 and 1.2700. Comprehensive indicator analysis indicates a downward cycle in the short term due to the rebound. Meanwhile, the bullish sentiment remains in force in intraday and medium-term periods. Gold, sweet gold. We've got a trading plan for this commodity asset presented by Petar Rikumovic. Gold has been trading upside into the Asian session, but we then had a big responsive selling after the buying climax around 2,140 USD, and the selling pressure is now present. Due to the strong reaction from the sellers in the background and the downside pressure on high volume, Petar sees potential for the further drop towards lower references. Downside objectives are set at the price of 2045, 2035, and 2020. RSI oscillator is showing reading around 50, which is a sign of the indecision. Key resistance zone is set at the price of 2020 and 2040. And finally, here's Laurie Bailey. with AUD-USD currency pair focused. Let's have a look. This morning, the Australian dollar reached the target level of 0.6693 and retraced slightly around the Marlin oscillator to form a divergence with the price. A correction is likely looming since the pair has been moving upwards since November 10. Or it could be due to the entire upward movement between October 26 and December 4. The initial target for such a correction is the level of 0.6612. A firm break below this level opens up the target of 0.6514, the peak of September 20. On the 4-hour chart, the price is rising above the balance and MACD indicator lines, with the Marlin oscillator in positive territory. There are no reversal signs yet. We're waiting for them to appear. Tomorrow, the Reserve Bank of Australia will announce its decision on monetary policy, with the market expecting the central bank to maintain the current rate of 4.35%. However, accompanying documents may provide a reversal signs. If, however, the signal is the opposite, where the price consolidates above the resistance of 0.6693, the pair may continue to rise to 0.6775. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.